Hi everybody. Right, for today's lesson on our exercise video, yesterday we learnt all about what it meant to warm up and to cool down, which are two really important parts of creating an exercise video. So hopefully you all now have learnt why it's important to warm up and why it's important to cool down, and also some exercises that relate to your type of exercise that you've chosen that you can include in your exercise video. So today we are going to plan out exactly how our exercise video is going to look, and we're going to do that using a storyboard a bit like mine. So you can see I have got 8 boxes here. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I'm going to start here and work my way through all the way up to the end of my video. Okay, so you're going to plan how your exercise video is going to run. So it's going to be different depending on what exercise you've chosen. So for mine, it was dance. So in the pink here, the first boxes 1 and 2, I've got my warm-up. So I'm going to start here with my warm-up, and it's just got some simple exercises. So neck rolls, squats and exhales, side stretches and arm reaches. So they are just some really gentle exercises to start the warm-up. Then when I've been researching and watching different videos, I've noticed that they then sort of lift the tempo, so make the warm-up a bit quicker to get your heart rate a bit faster and get you more ready for the exercise. So I'm going to lift the tempo with some arm spins and some step taps and shoulder rolls together. And I've put after each one how many I'm going to do in my exercise video. Then I move on to the main part of my exercise video. So this is my dancing part. So exercise 1, 2, 3 and 4 are all parts of the dance routine that I'm going to be doing in my exercise videos. The idea is that I will go through exercise 1 first with my viewers. Then I will move on to exercise 2. Then I'll move on to exercise 3 and then exercise 4, and then we'll put it all together as one big routine. So my first exercise was step taps, 3 sets of 10. Then I've got a box step with arms, 2 counts of 8. My exercise 2 is a slide and bounce for 2 counts of 8. And then step and clap, 2 counts of 8. Exercise 3, I've got 3 single jumps and a double jump, and 2 counts of 8 for those. Then I've got hip rolls, 2 counts of 8. And my last exercise is grapevine, 2 counts of 8, and then arm pumps, 2 counts of 8. And then I'm going to put all 4 of those together, and I'm going to teach the viewers to do that all together, and we're going to repeat that 2 times. And then once we've repeated that, we're going to move on to my cool down. So as I researched cool down activities, I have my climb the ladder here, so I'm going to do that for 10. Then I've got my follow the leader walks for 20 seconds. And then I'm going to take it even further on a cool down so that I'm doing even slower exercises. So I'm just going to march on the spot nice and slowly, times 2. And then I'm going to do some gentle arm reaches to each side, just stretching out the side muscles because I've used those quite a lot in my exercise video. So I want you to do exactly the same as I've done. I want you to map out exactly the exercises that you're going to do, okay? So obviously yours might look different to mine if you're not doing dance. So if you're doing, I don't know, what have we got quite a few of you doing? Some of you are doing gymnastics, so yours is going to look fairly similar. You're going to have your warm-up, then you're going to have your different gymnastic exercises that you're going to do, and then your cool down. If you're doing bike riding, again, you're going to have your warm up. Then you might show yourself doing some different bike riding moves, and then your cool down. Okay, so I know loads of you are doing loads of different sports, loads of different exercises, which is great. I can't wait to see them all. So you're going to do this, take a picture of it, send it to your teacher, and then now practice. So tomorrow we are going to be recording our exercise videos. So you need to get as much practice in today. So practice, maybe get your plan, stick it up on the wall, and then you can see it in front of you. and you can practice as much as you can to make sure you know your exercise video off by heart so that you're ready to record it tomorrow. Good luck, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.